Okay, so I came out after work and I came to one of the spots where I found that small little forky, and driving back out, and I just saw a freaking big forky now. So I drove past him, I'm gonna let him cool down a little bit, and then I'm gonna start walking in, see if I can get in on him, hopefully get a shot off. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned.
Some call me a sinner for the things I've done. Born with a heart of stone, fast with a gun. I'm here to get mine, then I'll leave this town. If you're standing in my way, I'll cut you down. You can't tame.
Big that dog is. Oh my God. I have no clue where he went. I don't know if he crossed the road because I kept driving past. Got out of the truck as fast as possible. Got everything ready. I mean, he was kind of skittish when I drove by him, so it's either he crossed back or he went back over the hill he came over. So I'm just gonna drive in to my original spot, see if I can find another buck. I mean, he was a big forky. I should have just stopped right there on a dime, recorded him, but I was hoping he was just gonna stay there. But they never do. They never do what you want them to do, so I'm gonna go back to the truck and then I'm gonna drive in where I wanna go. See what happens. Well, so far I have seen a bunch of those, no bucks, except for that other buck. And then a coyote. I was gonna shoot the coyote. He was 137 yards, but he was just standing there, and I was like, man, if he was like 100 yards, I would take him a shot with my bow. And then he went over the ridge, and I was like, dang. And then I look in the back, and I forgot I had my 22 mag with me. I could have shot like that thing, but oh well. Next coyote I see, for sure, I'm sending a freaking 22 mag round at him. If not, I mean, if he's close enough, I'll take a shot with my bow. But so far they're up and moving now, so I'm gonna drive to a different spot right now. I just came to check this other spot, but I'm gonna go closer towards water to see if there's more activity that way. But we'll see what happens. I mean, I'm riding solo again. Standards are a little lower because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hunt in August, so we'll see what happens. Forky or better, to be honest. As I was driving out, I look up and there's this buck walking along the ridge line. I shut off the truck, and I tried coming around right in front of him, and I met up with them. He saw me, he took off. Tried grunting to stop him, but he's just a 4-point buck. That's it. Left side's gone. I'd still shoot him. We can't always get the left side worked on. But he was running towards the front, so I'm gonna just drive down. Hopefully I can see him. Alright, so as I was coming out, ran into that buck. He only had one side. Went in after him. I got a little closer than unexpectedly. So when I popped over the ridge, he was actually underneath, and then like he ended up busting out. Tried grunting to stop him. He didn't stop. Thought he went around, but he didn't go around. So I'm heading home. That's it for today. Tomorrow's another day. See what happens. Stay tuned. Shot right over his back, huh?
I don't know, I didn't see.
You should see it in the thing. I was like, I'm holding it, and then the wind came in. It was all. I was like, oh no.
Yeah, one job.
We'll probably see it in the front right now.
I guess.
Should I go try to find my arm? We'll go try. Well, we came out after work. We're in her truck because my truck's getting worked on. It's been windy this whole time. We didn't see anything until we're about to leave, and we saw a spike off the road. I was like, I mean, if he gives me the opportunity to draw back on him and possibly take a shot, I'm gonna take the shot. The wind is pretty heavy. It's probably about 15 to 18 mile an hour winds. And she was sitting in the truck recording while I took a step out, and he was 44 yards, and I'm holding on him, and I think I shot over his back. I might have shot in front of him, I don't know, but I missed him. A gust of wind came when I was pulling through, and then I missed him. It was pretty cool. We came out here and saw nothing, and then we had an opportunity to shoot at a buck towards the end, so I'm not complaining. Now it's starting to rain, but got 2 more days left to try to get it done. At this point, if they're gonna give me an opportunity, I might just take a shot. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Good morning. It is the last day of January. I came to one of my spots where I haven't been for a while. Well, since Evelyn's hunt. So far I found one good buck, but he went up and over. But then there's a doe there now that's on this side. Hopefully he follows her. Hopefully he's like pushing her or something, and have water underneath me. So even if he comes to water, it's only like a 50 to 60 yard shot. So we'll see what happens. So far, I've had 2 small bucks walking about 30 yards, and then 2 does. I should have shot one of the smaller ones. I'm gonna stay here till 1, see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back at the truck. It's already 1 o'clock. I'm gonna go check this other spot real quick. But other than that, I think this is gonna be it. Unless I see something in the other spot, but it's 1 o'clock, so who knows. So I guess it's gonna be August. I mean, I need to get a new string for my bow. I need to get it fast. Elijah needs a new string for his bow. I mean, I don't mind. I just hope I can hunt August like I did last year. I had a little bit more time to actually hunt, so we'll see what happens. If you haven't already, I mean, I know we didn't get a lot of footage. Most of the time I was by myself, or Elijah was probably by himself too. Yeah, sorry that we didn't get as much footage as we wanted to, but August is just around the corner, and then I believe Elijah has a javelina tag and a bear tag and a turkey tag, so we all put in for elk, so hopefully one of us gets drawn. Hopefully we can go on another elk hunt this year. That was pretty fun, so we'll see what happens. So if you haven't already, just like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.